Welcome to Clever Mum. In this video, we're exploring 1,050 incredible vegetables that can help combat common health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and chronic inflammation. You'll not only learn how these vegetables support your health, but we'll also share pairing tips to amplify their benefits. Let's jump into this adventure through the world of nutrient-packed veggies and uncover how each one can be a simple yet powerful addition to your diet. Introduction: 5 minutes. We begin by discussing the power of food as medicine and why focusing on vegetables is crucial for disease prevention. Did you know that certain vegetables contain bioactive compounds that can directly impact your heart, blood sugar, and immune system? Before diving into the specifics, let's cover 3 ground rules. 1. Every vegetable has unique health properties, so variety is key. 2. Fresh, colourful, and minimally processed options are best. 3. Pairing the right spices and cooking methods can boost their benefits. Our goal is to help you take better control of your health, starting with your next grocery trip. Core content: 5 to 25 minutes. Here's a breakdown of the vegetables grouped by their primary health benefits. 1. Heart health heroes. Broccoli supports healthy cholesterol levels and contains sulforaphane, which improves arterial function. Pair with lemon or garlic for an extra antioxidant boost. Spinach, rich in potassium and nitrates that can enhance blood flow and reduce blood pressure. Try it in a salad with avocado. Beetroot, excellent for increasing nitric oxide levels, promoting improved circulation and heart function. Roast it with rosemary for a delicious twist. Kale, high in omega-3s and fiber that reduce inflammation and cholesterol. Best served sautéed with olive oil and onions. These vegetables not only contribute to heart health, but also taste amazing when paired with the right ingredients. As we continue, notice how combining different vegetables can maximize their benefits. 2. Blood sugar regulators. Next up is managing blood sugar levels effectively. Bitter melon, known for its ability to lower blood sugar levels. Slice and stir-fry with garlic and chili. Okra helps stabilize blood sugar through soluble fiber. Add it to stews or soups. Carrots provide natural sugars but with a low glycemic index, making them safe for people managing diabetes. Caramelize them with honey and thyme for a treat. Pumpkin contains compounds that improve glucose metabolism. Use it to make a hearty, spiced soup. These ingredients are not only nourishing but versatile, making it easier to integrate them into your weekly meals. Whether you're dealing with heart health concerns or watching your blood sugar, starting with these veggies is a great way to take control of your wellness journey. Stick around, because this is just the beginning of our venture through fascinating and functional plants. Perfect for roasting with turmeric. Eggplant, packed with niacin, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Grill and season with smoked paprika for a flavorful bite. Chamfor, immune system boosters. Garlic, a natural antimicrobial loaded with allicin to help keep sickness at bay. Roast it to mellow with the flavor and drizzle over vegetables for added depth. Onions, packed with quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens immunity. Use them in soups or as caramelized toppings. Sweet potatoes, high in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, essential for a robust immune system. Pair with cinnamon or nutmeg for a warm and comforting dish. Brussels sprouts provide vitamin C and antioxidants, shielding against infections. Roast them with balsamic vinegar for a tasty and nutritious side dish. 5. Brain health enhancers. Avocado, a rich source of healthy fats, potassium, and lutein, great for cognitive health. Use it as a base for guacamole or to craft a creamy salad dressing. Asparagus contains folate and antioxidants that nurture neurotransmitter function. Steam lightly, then season with black pepper and lemon. Cabbage, loaded with vitamin K, which supports brain function and focus. Ferment it into sauerkraut to add probiotic benefits to your meals. Celery contains apigenin, a compound that protects brain cells from degeneration. Cut into sticks and pair with hummus for a smart snack choice. 6. Bone and joint protectors. Collard greens, packed with calcium and vitamin K, vital for strong bones. Cook them with garlic and smoked paprika for robust flavor. Turnip greens, rich in calcium and antioxidants. These greens are a strong ally for bone health. Add them to soups or stews for an extra nutritional boost. Swiss chard, loaded with magnesium, crucial for maintaining bone density. Sauté with olive oil and minced garlic for a simple yet delicious preparation. Parsley, surprisingly high in vitamin K, which promotes bone health. Chop finely and mix into salads or grain bowls for added nutrition. 7. Stress and sleep supporters. Mushrooms, known for adaptogenic properties, they help manage stress. Sauté with coconut aminos for a savory and supportive side dish. Zucchini, high in magnesium, which helps regulate stress hormones and improve sleep. Grate into pasta dishes or bake into moist breads. Lettuce contains lactucarium, a mild sedative. Use it as a calming base for bedtime salads. Fennel, a herbal remedy for anxiety and digestion. Slice raw for salads or roast for a unique mellow flavor. Bonus pairing tips. Tea. Many vegetables are best paired with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado, which assist your body in absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. Add spices such as turmeric for a double dose of anti-inflammatory benefits, or drizzle lemon juice to enhance absorption of nutrients like iron. Conclusion, 25 to 30 minutes. Tick. To wrap it up, these 50 vegetables offer essential tools for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Whether your goal is to boost heart health, manage blood sugar, reduce inflammation, or support your brain and bones, incorporating a variety of these vegetables into your meals can make a world of difference. Explore your options, experiment with flavorful spices and oils, and embrace creative cooking techniques to keep your meals both exciting and nutrient-packed.